We're at a new listing on Nokomis Drive. Nice big lawn. Septic has been updated, so that's all been taken care of. This was an older cabin that they have totally redone. The front is amazing. Porch with this nice beam, entryway, smart siding, no maintenance. Everything has been redone here. So you walk in, has really nice entryway with the log rail. This goes down to a lower finished level. Nice steps there. All 6-panel wood doors. You come in. Nice good sized bedroom here. Lots of windows for lighting. Good sized closet. Got the TV hookup. All of the rooms have a control for speaker systems throughout the whole entire house, even outside. Nice big kitchen. You've got the built-in desk, Thoracraft custom cabinetry, really nice quality cabinets here. The refrigerator, they do have it set up. There's panels there. You could remove that to put in a bigger refrigerator. Got a built-in microwave under the cabinet, lighting, tons of outlets here. So gas fireplace, this is on a separate thermostat, so you can set it up if for some reason the power goes out. The blower is not going to kick on, but the gas fireplace will, and that helps keep this heated. There's the speaker system that's all connected to everything there. Really nice recessed lighting throughout the home. Very nicely done. This is the view. It is a rainy day, but I have some nice summer pictures from yesterday when it was not raining that I will have a link to, but there's that surround sound system. Entryway closet here. This goes into some nice tile. Actually, it's laminate that looks like tile. Washer dryer. You got the shower here. They have some really nice window coverings. You know, these slide all the way up. So nice blinds, quality blinds. Lots of storage in here. And then this goes down into the lower level. So you come down the steps. These steps are actually really, really pretty wood. And then this is a vinyl plank down here in the lower level. You got your mechanicals. There is a, that's, you know, the injector pit for the lower level bathroom, 200 amp service. This is where all the high-tech stuff comes in. So they do have an antenna for regular TV. They do have access to charger internet here, so high-speed internet. It is natural gas. This is set up for all of the thermostat control, so you can control everything from home. You got a gas hot water heater here. It is a point well, and so this is the well system. And storage. And then you've got the lower level rec room. Again, speaker systems wired throughout. They have this set up just for extra company sleeping. There are 2 legal bedrooms down here with the egress window. The level, it's really an exposed basement. So there's the ground level already. So you are actually, you know, it's not a fully enclosed basement, which is nice. You've got another bedroom, good sized bedroom here, and full bath. Again, you've got the hickory, rustic hickory cabinets, custom, and this is a nice bath, and the shower is up there. So there is a bathtub. Again, there's the speakers. So it's a rainy day, but I do have really nice sunny pictures of this yesterday. But I just want a video. There's the front, really nice, good look. They have this set up. This was where they were gonna put a garage. So this is the view. You do have nice sandy frontage here. It's pretty windy today. This is Nokomis, so you are on a big part in Nokomis. So obviously you're gonna get some waves going on here. So that's how far away the neighbors are on that side. And neighbors on this side are up and kind of out of your way there. So it's only 100 feet of frontage and it's a small lot, but it doesn't seem that way. To me, it still has enough privacy here. You've got your fire pit here and the neighbors are kind of elevated there. This is just a boathouse. So you can kind of see, it's got sand frontage there. Like literally 2 steps and you are at the lawn. It has the in-ground sprinkler system that he also can control. It has all the heads that pop up. So he's got a really nice lawn here. There's this little patio area. This goes into the main living room area. You can walk on this side. It's got a little grill area here. This is for the sprinkler system. Some storage. There's your natural gas. And back to the front.